everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm NG Styles. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make fruit acid at home. Fruit acid is a natural skin exfoliator, just like the way you have glycolic acid, lactic acid, but this one is made out of different kinds of fruits that contains loads of enzymes in it, and also it contains good nutrients that our skin needs. Okay, so let's go to the lab. Let me share with you how I make mine at home so that you can make yours also. Okay, all right guys, I'm so tired. I'm just coming back, but I just have to make this video for you guys to see. Let's go. All right, so here are the fruits I'm going to be using for this fruit acid mix. So starting here, I have mango. As you can see, this is mango. I just slice in the inside of the mango. I didn't add the back, but if you like, you can add the back of it. So I have the mango, slice it tinily and then dry it out in the sun so that it can dry faster. So here I have pineapple. As you can see, here I have pineapple. Same thing, slice in tiny pieces and then leave it out in the sun to dry. And here I have lemons. You can see the way I cut the lemon. Slice it tiny pieces, the whole lemon, then dry it out in the sun until it gets dried, and like this. And here I have apple. This is apple, so I also slice it tiny so that it can dry fast under the sun. And here I have some ginger, so you can see I also dry the ginger. So in this cup I have water and glycerin and preservative mixed together. So I have my organic vegetable glycerin 50% and 50% distilled water mixed together, and I added preservative to it. I'm using Lucida liquid, and I use 4% of Lucida liquid for preservation. Okay, so
when you're out there, you got problems, you got issues, just walk up, say, excuse me, what's the deal, yo, excuse me, what's the deal, yo, excuse me, yep, what's the deal, yo.
So this is it. I've added everything in here, as you can see. So just use your spatula or spoon or whatever, push everything down in there, and then cover it tightly and keep it in a dark area of your cupboard. I normally keep in my kitchen cupboard. Okay, so this is it, as you can see. So make sure you label it. You can see I labeled mine. I said fruit acids mix in water and glycerin 50% each. Okay, so and I put the dates. I did it today, August 18th 2018 to September 18, 2018. So by September 18 it will be ready. If you like, you can leave it longer. The longer the better. Okay, every day take it out and then give it a shake. You can see, shake it. As you shake it, everything mixed together. Give it a shake as it extracts itself. All right, so that is it, guys. Very short video. Just want to show you how you can make your own fruit acid at home very fast and easy. Do not use fresh fruit to make this. If not, it will go bad faster and quicker. Immediately it will go bad if you use fresh fruits. The best thing to use is dried fruits. Okay, all right, guys. So if you have any more question, you can leave it in the comment box. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to stay organically beautiful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.